Welcome to Modern Algos, the ultimate destination for trading and investing solutions. Today, we are diving into the world of automated trading with a focus on understanding various approaches to defining legwise or overall target and stop loss parameters in technical trading. Let's get started. First, log into Modern Algos and access the technical trading section. Next, choose your desired symbol and integrate an indicator for analysis. Then, click on the Auto Trade button located at the top right corner. Here, define entry and exit conditions and set trade parameters. Specify your entry and exit parameters. After that, define the legwise target and stop loss or overall strategies target and stop loss. Here, we can have various scenarios. Let's discuss them in detail. Scenario 1. Define legwise target and stop loss. For example, you set a target of 70 points and a stop loss of 50 points for an entry trade. If your entry price was 100 rupees, the particular leg will exit when the price reaches 170 rupees on target hit or 50 rupees on stop loss hit. Alternatively, you can set these parameters as percentages. For instance, a 15% target and a 10% stop loss. It means the trade exits when the price moves to 115 rupees or drops to 90 rupees. Similarly, you can mention legwise target and stop loss for multiple legs. Scenario 2. Define legwise target and stop loss and exit condition. In this scenario, you define both legwise targets and stop losses along with an exit condition. The trade will close based on whichever condition is met first, ensuring flexibility in your strategy. Scenario 3. Define overall strategies target and stop loss. Here, you set an overall profit target and stop loss for your strategy. For example, a fixed profit target of 1000 rupees and a stop loss of 500 rupees means that when the overall strategy's profit reaches 1000 rupees, the strategy will close, and if the loss reaches 500 rupees, the strategy will close. This means all the open positions will be closed and it will stop the complete strategy. Once all your conditions and parameters are set, click the Live Trade button to start your strategy. Your customer's strategy is now accessible in the dashboard. This demonstration provides just a glimpse into the power of automating a trading strategy. For further insights into defining target and stop loss parameters, stay tuned as we delve deeper into various approaches for setting these parameters in our upcoming videos. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and trading tips. Happy trading!